My youngest, some savages running your trap, at you up with them packages. Rob you for bricks, finesse you for pounds. Fuck all that talking, they laying you down.
Christmas time. I guessing it's the time of the year. Well, I guess I didn't get to celebrate with my family, but the forecast says it is gonna snow. Why can't my mom and dad just be alive and just celebrate the holidays with me? I feel like I'm not important. But anyway, I gotta see what the other Winchecks are doing. I wonder how the other Winchecks are gonna do with decorating the house. I hope they're not slacking off like Levi and Oblivion. Two idiots.
Oblivion, you dumbass. Be careful with a tree. We need it to be great.
Shut up, Levi. I'm trying. You don't have to be a bitch about it.
God damn it, guys, shut up. It's the holidays. We cannot fight now.
Calling all Winchecks. Meet me outside ASAP on the double. And please not try to say that you guys are trying to become bullshit. Because I wanted to tell you guys something. Since the holidays are coming up, I think it's time to play a holiday tradition game. But anyway, during the world, I guess. Forget it. Anyway, the true reason why I call you all here is because we're gonna play a game called. I'm afraid I gotta say this, but we're gonna play Capture the Flag. Capture the Flag Snowball Edition. Because I'll tell you how the game works. Each of you are gonna become 4 teams of 3. You guys are gonna capture each flag. And capture the person. You can use your powers you want, or you can use your snowballs to power up your balls. And anyway, I'm gonna set there's gonna be 4 teams: blue, red, yellow, and green team all over NYC's states, aka barrels. Anyway, I'll announce the teams first. First team is Team Red. Team leader is Kathy the Sexy Wolf with 2 teammates, Tara Nightwind and Giselle Nightwind. Look, talk about girl power. Anyway, Team Red is taking the Bronx. It's a big area. Well, let's hope they can do everything they can. Our next team is Team Green. Team leader Levi Lightslash with Mika Gokuhara and Joshua the Wolf. Their location is gonna be Queens. Looks like things are really gonna get hard if they go to Queens. Figures. Next team is Team Yellow. Team leader is Sal's Technology with Benjamin and Oblivion. Their location is gonna be the Big Apple known as Manhattan.
Wait a minute. Why do I have to be in a team with Oblivion?
2 things. 1, it's a part of the script. And 2, because I said so. So deal with it. The final team I have to announce is Team Blue. Team leader is myself with Night Frost Up, Antarctic Cat, and Karo Pop. I guess the last team has only 1 borough, and it's Brooklyn. So the rules is simple. You guys have to has their own color flag. To win, you have to capture all the flags or capture the most flags by the time limit. There will be 3 rounds. Whoever wins the most rounds will be the winner. So anyway, get your flags, go to your locations, and let's start the game. We'll start the game in exactly 30 minutes. So let's go. Well, so this is the man. I see. So it looks like we finally meet face to face. So your name is Infinite, right?
Yes, you can call me Infinite. I have been reborn from the hell from that blue fur hide.
I see. But since you're back, I think it's time to pay everyone from the resistance repaid. I have a plan. My force is the anti-crystals and your illusions of the Phantom movie. If we can combine our powers, we can be able to take down this entire ruthless city and end this war. And everyone will know your name. So, are you in, Infinite?
Yes, I'm in. Soon, they will know my name.
I'm here. Now I have to find him and warn him. Daddy, wherever you are, where are you?